what it's like to walk in Binondo Chinese New Year edition.
Let's go guys.
Ito guys, oh. Okay guys, meron Squid Game. Sakto nandito yung recruiter, oh.
May si recruiter.
Kailan season 3?
Ah, secret. Ito yung recruiter, oh.
Ako yung recruiter.
Thank you.
Natakot ako.
Ayaw i-reveal eh.
Stay tuned for season 3 guys, babalik pa ako.
Sure. We walk from Lasal to Binondo. Thank you. We just walked from DLSU to Binondo. Are you proud of our stamina?
When are you coming back as Iron Man?
When are you? Bye.
Thank you.
Mabilis pa yung dailies ito, Ateneo.
Sobrang traffic guys, sobrang traffic.
Live tilapia.
Live tilapia.
Dito bumili si Speed ng meow. Masyadong puno, so...
Meow! What you mean meow?
By the way guys, if you guys need wine, whiskey, spirits, alcohol, Wine Century guys.
We got the best prices guys.
Guys, paano tayo tatawid?
Mahirap, may dragon eh.
Umuwi na kasi yung isa eh. Okay lang masama sa vlog, mag-hi ka lang. Happy Chinese New Year!
I don't remember it being this crowded guys. Last year, bata pa kami.
Okay.
Hindi sa ganito kadami dati.
Guys, mga 8 PM pa lang ha. Tingnan mo yung daanan. Guys, walang daanan. By the way guys, kung di nyo pa pinapakinggan yung song ko, Aking Sinta by Ket Neko. Guys, bibili tayo magic water.
Hindi na yung magic water mo ha? Kaso mo lang babayaran.
Bakit po tawag magic water?
Akala mo lang ticket sir.
So parang may magic na kung ininom ko. Parang papogi ba ako?
Hindi. Masyado sobrang daming magic kung ganun.
Okay, tikman natin yung magic water. Parang may magic pa.
Eh?
Parang naging Spider-Man. Mario. Parang sa atin yung stoplights eh. Para sa tao.
Binondo Church guys. Pero nandito na si Luigi oh.
Uy, Luigi!
Welcome to Philippines Disneyland guys. Once a year lang to. Nandun si Mickey Mouse oh.
Guys, sa Tokyo, Japan na tayo guys.
Bakit sila nakatingin lang? Wala yata tao dyan eh. Guys, punta tayo ng LCM. Ako lang dito.
我们今生注定是沧桑。
Childhood Mall guys. Hi vlog.
Hey, what's up?
Tara masuki tayo.
Mukbang. Yung food rating natin. First time ni Adrian. So, anong masasabi mo?
Nasa
Food rating.